Okay, I was writing my waveboard, but now it's time for my midnight snack. So let me show you this. I like a lot Spanish ham, and I just bought this beauty. Look at that. It comes like this. It comes with a little board, a wooden board, and something to fix it in place. So this is just a screw with a pointy tip. Yeah, look at that. So with this you impale it and fix it in place. So then you can cut it as you wish. Well, that is what it's supposed to happen. But in reality, this shit is pure garbage. It doesn't work. And I think the problem is that for this to be so small, I mean, this cannot be the whole leg. I mean, it's just a part of the leg. So, because this is just a part of the leg, it just disintegrates. Look. Oh, also, it comes with this knife. It's pretty sharp, as you can see. So the problem is that I was going to enjoy my ham. I wanted to have these paper thin slices, almost transparent slices. So I start cutting, and look, it just crumbles apart. It just falls apart, everything. This part of the muscle separates from this one. Well, each muscle separated from the whole piece. You can see this muscle is loose, this muscle is loose, this whole thing is loose, and I'm currently taking up my slices from here because this was impossible. Actually, I cut myself twice already. This was a paper thin slice of my thumb. Here it worked. The knife is pretty sharp, and also here. Yeah, here. This one was pretty deep, and I told my wife to close it up like this, and yeah, and she placed some drops of super glue, and yeah, that worked perfectly. Here I didn't use super glue because, I mean, there is nothing to paste, to bring together anything. So yeah, I was doing like this, slices away from me, but it started to fall apart. So then, mistakenly and foolishly, I started to do the cuts like this, and then it slipped and BAM! I cut my finger. And in the other occasion, I was doing it like this, cutting my slices like this, and BAM! I took a slice of my thumb. So yeah, what I did was to separate these two muscles, and now I'm just cutting. And now I'm just cutting my slices like so. Oh my god, the light doesn't help me here. How can I do this? Like so? Yeah. Yeah. Well, you get the idea, no? I'm just cutting my slices like so. And this knife, as I told you, is kinda sharp, but it's a crappy knife. Ultra crappy knife. I mean, all this set was about 500 Mexican pesos, I don't know, $25, something like that. It's pretty cheap, considering this is Spanish ham, and actually it's good, eh? Really, this thing is, it's not the best one, but it's tasty as fuck. I love this shit. Yeah, the problem with this is I can no longer take these paper thin slices that bring up the flavor quite a lot. I'm just taking this thick ass of slices. I'm doing what I can here. But yeah, I found this setup really cute, and that's why I bought it, because since 2 to 3 years I always wanted to have my own leg, but I mean it's too much. It's simply too much. It's too much ham. I think those things weigh about 15 kilos. So yeah, it's just too much. But this one, this small one, I really liked it. I'm going to take off this piece so I can take more slices. The thinner, the better. I'm just to take this little fat away. And this fat brings a lot of flavor, but you need to cut it like so. Actually, no, no, no. The way to cut it is like this, like it's shown here. Longitudinal slices, but instead I'm making cross sections, and this is a way to prevent it from falling apart. And that's the problem with this product, with this little ham I bought, because they had to cut a piece. Yeah, yeah. Suppose they cut a piece like so, and there is no way that you can place it as intended like this, so you can cut longitudinally. Yeah, this is why this product is so crappy. Yeah, this is the way it has to be cut, and prevents from falling up, from separating the muscles, because I'm cutting like so. Yeah, and you get very little fat but in this case where I just taking the muscles apart, it doesn't work. It simply doesn't work. I'm going to take some thin slices because tonight I want to have some prosciutto e melone. Prosciutto e melone, it's a delicacy. You will see. Yeah, this knife is totally crappy. It's a crappy knife. Look at that. Yeah, okay, that will be enough. This one, all of them are too thick. Even this one, it's too thick. Doesn't matter. Okay. And also I'm having it. Oops. Also I'm having it with this rock. It's a total rock here. Look at this. Yeah. This bread is already as hard as my own teeth. Hopefully I don't break one of my teeth. It's so tasty. So much flavor. But right now, I don't want to have bread. I want to have melon. Well, let me show you. Yeah, this. I'm going to use this same knife. So what you do for the prosciutto and melone, let me clean my board, my cutting board. There you go. Okay. So you just take a slice of melon. Take the placenta and the seeds away, like so, and then bam, 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 bam. There you go. And then you just grab your prosciutto, stick it in there, because I can, because this is thick as fuck. I just broke it. And then, just like so. Yeah. This melon is perfect. Too bad these laces are too thick. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. I'm sorry. I need to improve my lighting here. All you can see is my shadow. This tastes like childhood. My mom always gave me some prosciutto and melone. Oh, what are you doing down here? Oh man, I want to have more, but no, I think that's enough. It's enough for today. It's already too late. So now my belly is happy and it's time to sleep. Bye bye. I'm just going to eat this fat ass slice of, of, of ham. Yeah. But I'm back because there's just one thing. I just wanted to show you how you can store this. Place your meat there. Wrap it up with a towel, with a cloth. Like so. And it doesn't have to be in the fridge. I'm actually storing it in the, I don't know how you call it in English, where this is where you keep all the cans and the bottles. That place. All right. See you in the next one.